The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 12 mini for Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys are looking to get a compact iPhone, the iPhone 12 mini is for you. So it's available now as of November 13th. It's available in 5 colors: red, white, blue, black, and green. 3 storage options: 64 gigs for $699.99, 128 gigs for $749.99, or 256 gigabytes for $849.99 wallet. So they're all currently in stock as of the recording, so that's nice. So this is what the iPhone 12 mini looks like. So you guys want to do cameras in the back, camera flash, earpiece, and front-facing camera have on the front which are not. Device have found will have your power and RAM keys. Left side will have your alert switch. So yeah, this front there. Now it's like the power button and the volume button is on the left side. So I think it's just a power button on the right side of the phone. And then on the back is your dual cameras, camera flash, and then power button on the right side of the phone now. Got it here. And here it is in different colors. Wait a minute. I think that's your then what the hell is this? I don't know. Best new power button. I don't know. Best new power button on the right side along with the frame case. I don't know. So don't know. So the iPhone 12 mini has 50 hours of usage time, a dual 12 megapixel camera, ultra wide, and the wide camera on the back. Dimensions are 5.18 inches in height, 2.53 inches in width. So they didn't get that wrong, they did that correctly. So it says here, the new iPhone 12 mini is the world's smallest, thinnest, and lightest 5G phone, complete with A14 bionic, the fastest chip in the smartphone, a new dual camera system, and the beautiful Super Retina XDR display. So so this is the smallest 5G phone that is currently available. So if you guys want a compact 5G phone, the iPhone 12 mini is the one for you to pick up. It says here to behold, and beheld. The best iPhone display ever, and the best iPhone display ever for incredible contrast and high resolution. Resolution shows what has 4 times better drop performance. Hello 5G. Super fast speed, super low latency, so you can get faster downloads, better quality video streaming, and more responsive gaming and real-time interactivity. The chip that pushes what's possible. A14 Bionic is the fastest chip in a smartphone with a 16-core neutral engine. It crunches trillions of operations each second, and it's super efficient for great battery life. Low light is now highlight. Night mode on all cameras gives them lit photos even softer than new level of detail. All new to iPhone 12 is an ultra wide camera that now captures night mode images, and a wide camera that now captures 27% of the light. Low lights camera action. iPhone 12 lets you record, edit, and playback Dolby Vision video. Use AirPlay to stream to your Apple TV or Smart TV. Night mode time-lapse video captures light trails and racing when you use a tripod, and 10-bit HDR video recording delivers 60 times more colors than 8-bit video. So that is nice, you know. So yeah. So the iPhone 12 mini specs are pretty good. It has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, MagSafe accessories, with the wireless charging to 15 watt, wireless charging to 7.5 watts. There it has iOS 14, of course. It has none of that. 64, 128, or 256 gigabytes of storage. 5G, which is not available yet on Verizon Prepaid. That's coming next year. Something to keep that in mind. Colors: blue, white, red, green, or black. It's a mobile device which let you use it in 200 countries. LTE Advanced with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. Usage time 50 hours. Dual 12 megapixel cameras in the back. Ultra wide camera lens and the wide camera lens. 12 megapixel front facing camera. Dimensions are 2.53 inches in width, 5.18 inches in height, and 0.29 inches in depth. So pretty cool there. And the iPhone 12 mini weighs 4.78 ounces. And you have the Super Retina XDR display, 5.4 inches. Awesome OLED. So this is a 5.4 inch display. So like I said, if you guys want a compact iPhone, there you guys go. If you guys didn't have much iPhone 12 mini, Verizon has to cover that as well. So check out the right support page for the iPhone 12 mini, and then we'll help you guys out on how to set up the phone and learn best features about the phone and stuff like that. So says here, Verizon One Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is your iPhone 12 mini with iOS 14, USB-C to Lightning cable, and your documentation. So nothing special, no charging bricks or nothing like that. You do have to have your own charging brick if you guys have one, so do that. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 12 mini is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $699.99 for 64 gigabytes, $749.99 for 128 gigs, or $849.99 for 256 gigabytes. This is a 5G iPhone, of course, but Verizon Prepaid doesn't offer 5G yet. They'll be getting that next year, so do keep that in mind. But it's still worth getting the phone though. And all the storage options are available currently as of this winter recording, so that's good. So it's not out of stock or nothing like that. So all colors are seems to be available. See if all colors are available. So we're kind of looking at the white one. We got red. You have red. You have white. Blue, but I am not a fan of the blue. I'm not a fan. The black one makes sense, and the white one makes sense. And then you got green here, and they're all kind of in stock right here, so pretty nice there. That's supposed to be green, but it looks white there. But yeah, so there you guys have the iPhone 12 mini. Now available at Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys want a compact iPhone, the iPhone 12 mini is for you. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me that thumbs up. If you guys have watched me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.